All right, so this is a little experiment with my puppy dogs. Brought out two balls instead of just one, so that we'll see what happens. We had a good walk. It's kind of cold though. You can see I'm a little bit. Ah. So, uh, we'll see what happens. Okay, AI has again had significant changes over the week, and I want to tell you my most exciting one that I personally enjoy is that the they have added a version to my Leonardo AI, what it's called live drawing. And what you can do is you can uh, draw, and it will create images next to where you're drawing live. So the way it works right now, and they just came out with it yesterday, is you can come in and you have a draw area. Now you can draw, you can place a sketch up there, an image, whatever you want, and it's part of the solution that you'll get at the end. And then you can type down below. And as you type, it uh, creates the image off to the side. So let's say down below you type in dog, and then over here, and then when you put the dog in there, you usually get, well, like what I got last night. I got a picture of a dog, and it was facing me. It was sitting down and facing me. Then I said, a poodle dog, and I got something more like Pepper here. And but it was still sitting and facing me. And then I started to draw, and I kind of drew the dog with its legs as a side view, and the image over there changed as I drew to match what I was drawing. So instead of it facing me, it was now uh, more of a side view. And so I could add text, and you could see things change. And there were selections off to the side of what type you wanted, whether you wanted animation or a sketch or a ray trace or something like that. And it would change it as you were doing. And it wasn't like it would, you did it and say generate. As you did it, it changed. What I really enjoy the most about it is there are areas that when you put in just text, it doesn't quite, well, one, it's just amazing to see it do it in front of your eyes. It's just amazing. And then the other thing is that it allows you that uh, freedom to mold. So you can add a little bit more to your sketch or add a little bit more to your um, what you want to do. And there have been some, and I've mentioned this before on. All right, why don't somebody go get this? And they, for instance, I wanted to make a picture of a woman, but she was looking down, and I wanted her hand out. And the idea behind it was I was trying to create a here's a helpful person trying to help you. And then the I could not get the renderings to match with that. Now I can start moving it, and I can, as I edit and change things on the sketchpad, I could see if I can rotate her head. You know, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try doing that one. But you could see that kind of that feedback between what I was saying I wanted and what was being generated for me. And it was the live version, having it done right away was just so enjoyable. So, anyways, Leonardo, I love it. It's great. Magnifico. Very happy with the change, and I'm very looking really forward to playing with it. I'm really looking forward to showing some of my AI friends as well. I'm impressed with it so much. I show my wife usually she watches TV a little bit just before she comes to bed, and I told her, "Stop doing that. Come up here right now, and I can show you this." All right. Well, hey, the two balls I think worked out pretty well. They seem to be playing together a lot more, and Luna's not getting upset because she has plenty of balls. She usually gets upset if she only has one ball. Right? She's trying to keep two balls. She has one way up her throat, and then the other one in her mouth. She's trying her best to keep the two balls so she can have both of them. Pepper's not caring right now. She's got a stick and she's chewing the stick. So, all right. As you can tell, I was excited about that, and I don't know what else to say. This is something that just popped up. It's amazing, all the other stuff. And I had other stuff to talk about if this hadn't popped up. There's been a ton of stuff happening in the AI realm, and there's so much good stuff going on and so many changes so quickly. Anyways, I'm going to let you guys go. Going to keep it short because, as you can tell, I'm a little cold. It's it's just barely hit 50 now. It was 47 when I started my walk, so it's warming up pretty quickly. So we should have a nice day today. But I'm going to go inside, and I didn't even so excited about the Leonardo. I didn't even drink my coffee this morning. Mm, nice and warm coffee. Luna entered. She's got two balls now. She's so happy. So happy. You guys have a wonderful day.